Hello, young grasshoppers. Welcome to your dojo. I'm your sensei, Josh at Random. I bring you Ninja Bunny by Jennifer Gray Olson. How to be a super awesome ninja. Rule 1. A super awesome ninja must always work alone. Rule 2. You must be super sneaky, especially in the most dangerous of situations. A super awesome ninja must, Rule 3, possess incredible strength. Rule 4, achieve invisibility. Rule 5, create ninja weapons. Rule 6, know how to escape. Rule 7, become skilled at climbing. Rule 8, maintain perfect balance. Rule 9, master the ability to fly. Rule 10, a super awesome ninja must battle anyone, anywhere, anytime, alone.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ninja Bunny's Rule 1. A super awesome ninja needs super awesome friends. The end. Thank you so much for coming to my dojo. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and be super sneaky and disciplined. Class dismissed.